At Pason, our hardworking field employees bring their passion to work. Our field technicians are energetic, personable, and self-motivated individuals. They work hard, and our organization provides the support they need to excel. With excellent benefits, second-to-none culture, and extensive training, Pason sets you up for success. So whether you're coming in with no oilfield experience or decades of knowledge, you have the support of the whole organization behind you. Pason is a leading energy services and technology company. We install unique hardware equipped with state-of-the-art technology on rigs that enhance the drilling life cycle, capturing drilling data from the rig and transmitting it straight to the office. Providing exceptional customer service is what Pason is known for, and field technicians are critical to our organization's success. They work the front line installing equipment, troubleshooting issues, and training rig crews on Pason's new and upgraded products. In addition, field techs are innovative thinkers who can assess and address where customers can use our equipment to their advantage, all while building customer relationships. We empower our field techs to operate like small business owners within Pason. We hold our technicians to a high standard, expecting them to respond to the most critical call first. When you work for Pason, we have your back at work and in life, and the health of our Pasonites is of utmost importance to us. We support our employees with a competitive base salary and an extensive 100% company-paid benefits package, which covers health, dental, vision, life insurance, as well as a health spending and taxable wellness account. Other employee perks include short and long-term disability, employee and family assistance, RRSP matching, and a field fitness and wellness program.
You know, we have a great dental plan and a great taxable wellness plan. You know, I'm able to get massages every couple of weeks all year, and my wife as well. And yeah, what can I say? It's there's a lot of benefits and a lot of perks there, and sometimes we take that for granted, right? It's you know, we also have a field wellness program, which allows us to spend a bit more money on the Pason end of things, on, you know, anything that can keep us fit, or, you know, health and wellness. But yeah, it's a good plan.
We'll be honest, there is a lot to learn, and it will take time to get the hang of it, but we teach you everything you need to know. If you're organized, entrepreneurial, and a self-starter, being a vital member of this great team will offer you the ultimate freedom.
Well, with training is, once you get hired on, you go in for about a week, and then they just kind of show you the ropes. They show you how to work everything, whether it be K-base or the ops page. But then you go in for 2 weeks after that, and you do some training. And that's where the lead trainer, he'll show you everything. He'll show you how to run all the cable, connect it all, get it all into the system. And then you spend about 2 months in with a lead trainer. So you're 2 months in the field learning everything. And then you go back in for another week and a half, and they just test your knowledge, and then they set you free, and so you can learn more on your own.
New field techs can expect a thorough and in-depth training experience, both in the classroom and out in the field. We want to set you up for success and provide you with the tools to perform. Remember, this is training for a career, not just a job. In addition, we provide our field techs with all the necessary tools and equipment to maintain inventory, as well as a field service truck.
You get to know these people on the rig, and you start to make relationships with them, and just kind of going out and chatting with them, and that camaraderie is nice, and I look forward to it.
Our field technicians are trained in a step-by-step process. In your first 90 days, you'll get a lay of the land, learn what's expected of you, and see what equipment you'll be working with. You'll be mentored by experienced field technicians who will provide product knowledge and help you learn the ropes.
The whole idea is to make sure that you're confident in your abilities before you go to the field, before you're cut loose, before you hop into that truck to go to your first call. We want to make sure you're confident.
These 90 days include several ride-alongs that will get you a first-hand look at what it means to be a Pason field tech.
I mean, the first little bit is kind of getting to know you, your abilities and that. And then you go out to rigs, you do what we would do every single day. You have, for the first while, you have a trainer right there with you doing it. And then we slowly back off, and as you train and progress, you do it yourself. We're not there hovering over you anymore. We're there if you need help, but for the most part, it's, okay, you got this, you can do it.
Following your initial 90 days, you will complete a skills assessment to ensure you're prepared for the next stages of your training. Then, you'll progress through the remainder of your first year as a Pason field technician. With the tools and support Pason provides, you'll be confidently serving your customers and working independently in no time. Before you know it, you'll be the one lending support to incoming field techs. Pason's energized and focused work environment empowers each team member to push the envelope of traditional thinking to create new solutions to old problems. We focus on a culture that nurtures imagination in an atmosphere where people are free to perform to their fullest potential in an open and friendly environment. Working as a Pason field tech allows you to help others solve problems. This is a chance to really make a difference. It's hard work, but it is one of the most fulfilling jobs you will ever do.
Everybody spoke so highly of the culture, and everybody gets along and helps each other, and it just seemed like a great fit for me. And I've seen that since I've been here as well.